Hell yeah, boys. Now we're going to take the Del Mar. They say this thing's got more torque. Look how big the wheels are. Those are 19s. Crazy. Like compared to these wheels. And I was looking at these tires they put on here. There's not much of a crown on the back of that. Maybe because they just demoed it out of there. Alright, let's see. Alright. And you hold this down till it boots. Yep. Okay, press start. Alright. Okay. Mode. Road. Let's start in rain again. Alright, let's get it. Oh, this seat height is definitely higher. This is more like an FZ. That seat height's lower. I can almost flat foot it. This one I'm half toes. I'm like the Z900 or the FZ10. Oh, it turned off. I accidentally turned it off. I hit the I hit the switch by accident. There we go.
There you go.
All right, sorry. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this thing is more torquey. Even in rain mode, it's like a little more giddy. Dude, how weird is it that we're having a silent ride right now? You can hear everything I'm saying. I'm like, I gotta make sure not to talk too loud. Don't have to talk over an engine. This thing feels a little bit, it definitely feels bigger. It feels about as wide as far as the handlebars are. Oh, dude. These suspension feels non-existent. The guy was telling me though that you got to get it set up. He's like, it felt the same way, so they got it set up. All right, let's get out of rain. Oh, now we're regenerating. Whoa, I felt that engine braking kick on. That's road mode. Let's go to sport. Yeah, boy. Ooh. Ooh, dude. Dang, sport mode rips, dude. Yo, these things, they definitely got the electric torque thing happening. Damn, boy, this thing wants to stand up. I'm about to pass her. She was a little worried about this going in. She's like, hold on, this shit, because it is, man. It's weird getting on this thing. You're like, oh yeah, I'll ride, until you get on and start riding and realize, oh, this shit is weird. I'm going around her. I'm coming faster. I went to grab the clutch just now. Whew, boy. Well, let me tell you something. This thing pulls like my 10. This thing pulls as hard as an FZ10. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, there's railroad tracks. Watch this. Look at, you see that number? Oh, railroad tracks. Yeah, I'm gonna hit that. Watch this number go up. Watch this number go up. Watch this. Watch this. Bro, look at this thing, dude. Bro, no joke, bro. Bro, this bike is no joke. They said it was more torquey than that one. It is. And that one is very torquey. Whoa, look at this. Whew. 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 Wow. This is not the one the guy wrecked on. He wrecked on a black one. They hung that one up. Dude was okay, bro. They did some paperwork. He's going home. Ooh. Oh, this one the brakes are a little bit better. Fuck, dude, these things rip. You know, you're like, oh, I'm getting on an electric bike. You know, it's like a kid's toy. But then you feel it, you're like, whoa. And there is a lot less moving parts, dude. You know, you just got to worry about a battery and it dying. Quick charge to 80% is 72 minutes. Quick charge to 100%, 142 minutes. 8 hours on a regular Edison charger overnight till full charge. So, I mean, not like you would want to take 72 minutes out of your day to charge this thing. But you go about 100 miles. I don't know. It'd be fun to own one. Go rip up the city, tear up downtown on these things. That'd be fun as shit. The fact that they don't make any noise is so weird. That dude likes to rip. You seen that? Bro, did you see that thing take off though? Look at it. You said that wheel pickup? I like that dude. He's cool, man. We were talking earlier. He's funny. You're funny, dude. Ding!
I didn't stop. It was going to go that fast, and I was like, "Oh crap!"
What kind of bike you ride?
The Roadster, the orange one that is there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no kidding. Yeah. I like that bike. It looks good, man. Yeah, I like that color. Yeah, dude, nice. We were looking at that earlier. I was over there looking at his bike. I didn't know it was his. Woo! Yo, if you get one of these Harley demos come to your town and you have a motorcycle license, sign up and go out there. You're gonna be like, nah, I don't feel like it. Oh, it's Saturday, I gotta cut the grass. Screw that, man. Take an hour or two, go down there and ride one of these things. They're so much fun. You might end up buying one. I wouldn't want it as a primary bike. And I live in a big giant city too. You know, you live in a little small town, dude, this thing might be the thing to go with, bro. If you're never really gonna go more than 100 miles in a day, then the fact that it only goes 100 miles doesn't matter. I don't think I ever really ride my bikes that much more than that. I mean, I also keep forgetting that these are Harley Davidsons. This is Clibbins, and I'm on a hog. Clibbins, had to lay my hog down. Had to lay down my e-hog. God bless. Dude, when we went to go, I guess my thumb accidentally, this is the on-off button. You turn it on, and then you hit this button, and that starts it. Well, whatever. There's two on buttons. There's like an on, and we'll call it engage. Ooh, traction control. Bro, you need traction control on. Ooh, got cruise? No way. Cruise got bright light stuff. Oh, that's your lights, your brights. And you pass the flash to pass on your finger. That's kind of cool. Click, click. Whew. The problem with going fast like that is I don't trust these brakes that much. We go up on the sidewalk and come off right here, right back on the road. No, I don't want to get kicked off this thing. They wouldn't let that dude ride that bike back after he wrecked it. I would just stood him back up and be like, come on, let's go. Poor guy, I feel bad for him. He's like, could you blur my face? Yep. But you was wearing a helmet too, bro, so nobody can see. Well, that was interesting. Now, a clickbait asshole YouTuber would use that as the thumbnail. Wrecked on a test ride? Show your boy with his head in the dirt. I may end up doing that. I'm sorry if I do. I apologize, guys. The channel's not doing so well. I mean, it's technically got clickbait. I got the dude wrecking. These are fun, bro. These are fun. But this thing's 15,000, 15.5, I think base. Base on that's 22. You know what you know what you can get for 22? Get S1000. You can get two badass used S1000s. You can get two FZ10s. Two badass used FZ10s. You can get an R1. You can get an R1M for a little over 24, I think, right? Is it 28? I don't know, dude. And every time you hit that gas, you can hear that. You know what I mean? Instead of. I like that guy, bro. He's cool. He likes to have fun, bro. Watch out, Papa. E-bikes coming through. Get with the times, old man. Beep, beep. Wow, that kickstand's weird. It's like, hey, that's weird. That thing rocks. I don't care what anybody says. These things rock. Anybody who talks shit about them has not ridden one yet. I give it like a 10 on the fun scale. These have a lot lower center of gravity than that one. Bro, that's so much fun. That was so much fun. Look at her. She's smiling. I know it's fun.
I had to get out of rain mode because I was like, why can't I keep up?
That's what it was. She was stuck in rain mode earlier when I was behind her stuck. I'm like, come on, go. It wasn't her. It was the bike. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, Basalinas. It was a good time, dude. Today was fun, dude. Checked out some Harleys. Rode the Livewires. Made some new friends. It was fun, man. Hell yeah. I guess we'll get out of here. They look cool. Hey, bro, what's your name, dude? Javier? I'm Dustin. Angry D, that's my channel, you know.
Don't worry.
Hell yeah. My Instagram and all that's on every video. So add me, bro. And we'll go ride and shit, dude. Because I know you and me have fun together. I can tell. Every time you was getting on it, I was right behind you. Yeah. I was like, oh, we can do that?
We're doing it together, so we're cool.
Nah, that's a good ass looking bike though, dude. I was over here taking a video of it. I love your exhaust, bro. I like that color. The thing looks mean, you know?
Yeah.
Like if I got a Harley, this is what I'd get. Or I'd probably get a 48 though.
Yeah.
Because I like the big wheel. Look at that thing dancing, dude.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Harley. That's what they do. Nice, bro. I like it.
It doesn't have the same torque, but it's the same fun.
Yeah. And you right over to your, yeah, dude. You're like me, bro. All right, man. Good meeting you, dude. Hit me up, bro. Let's ride. Yeah. Hell yeah. Look at our girl. Oh, look, somebody left their water. Someone nasty just put their water right on the ground. Look. It took one sip out of it. Put this right here. All right, Bossalinas, we'll get out of here. This was fun, dude. That was not what I expected. I didn't know what to expect, honestly, but that was crazy. Hell yeah.